Yes, Sora for free. You heard that right. Let me show you how. Let's see some examples. Hey, use Sora for free in Bing. Let's check it out. First, download the app. Okay, as you can see, I already have some creations. Let me show you. So the first one, I asked Pixar lion walking in the forest. Let me open that for you. This is so cute. This is so nice. This is animation. I love it. So if you want, you can download it. Let's check another result. How realistic is this? This is absolutely stunning. Look at the movement, the colors, the consistency, the background, and it's blurry. This is fabulous. This could be right. This could be a shot, right? This is absolutely amazing. I also asked for a monkey on roller skates, and as you can see, the children stay consistent at the background, and this looks really realistic. I really love it. A cute dog waving. How cute is this baby? Hey, I've got something for cat lovers as well. Let's check it out. I'm also a cat lover, by the way. Okay, how cute is this? How cute is this fluffy cat? Really wonderful. You can share it, you can download it. I also asked for a realistic model. The only thing I don't like is that you only have one ratio, and this is it. Look at the eyes, they are so real. And the movement, this is fab. Look at the hair moving. Also hallucinated. I asked for an alien listening to music and waving, and look what I got. It sounds cute, but it's a bit crazy. So let me show you how you can do it. So you come here and you can either choose an image, create an image, or create a video. So fairy in pink in the forest with beautiful colorful butterflies. What do you think? I think this is good. As you can see, we only have this ratio. We only have 5 seconds, and we can do it. We can choose standards, which takes a lot of hours, or fast. I'm doing fast, and all I have to do is click on create. And that's it. How fabulous and easy this is to get Sora for free. Don't tell me I don't bring you the best AI tools for you. If you liked the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. But don't forget, I have so many more amazing AI free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.